Hi folks, Derek James from Bayou Outdoor Supercenter right here in Bossier City. We are Louisiana's family-owned and operated store and have been for over 40 years. I hear it every day. I want a toy hauler, fifth wheel, I can't afford one. This is one of the few exceptions in America. This is the Dutchman Voltage 2017 model, brand new, but 2017 model for under $40,000. Derek, under $40,000 is stripped. You're wrong. 5500 Onan generator installed up front, electric jacks, electric awning, LED lights at the base of the awning. This is one of the #1 selling toy haulers in America, again, for under $40,000. How about outside storage? Does it have outside storage? Of course it has outside storage. Pass through, and as you can see folks, aluminum frame. Again, the 3351 Voltage by Dutchman, under $40,000. Oh, Derek, I got a side-by-side Ranger that's 14 feet long. Plenty of hauling experience room and something like this. Let's walk inside. Folks, welcome inside the 3351 Voltage by Dutchman. As you can see, a queen-size master bed, plenty of storage. A wife can bring not all her clothes, but a majority of all the clothes. You want a big bathroom? Not a problem in this Voltage 3351. Full-size shower, plenty of leg room, plenty of spacious room in the bathroom. But this is the main thing on this Voltage as we walk on down. Again, I have customers all the time. Derek, I need 14 feet. I'll be honest, the Voltage here does not have 14 feet. It's got closer to 22 feet of toy box storage area. Well, Derek, you know, sometimes I like to bring some family and friends. I like to bring my kids, my grandkids. Don't worry about it. You have a simple button, bring down this. It can be opposing couches or another full-size bed. If you look up top here, yet another full-size bed. So you can sleep up to 8 people easily in this 3351. It's the best of the whole world in one fifth wheel. Again, the 2017 3351 Voltage toy hauler, under $40,000. That's nearly $31,000 off the MSRP. Shop America. We sell to Alaska, Michigan, Minnesota, Ohio, Florida. Our prices will not be beat. Come see us, Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, Bossier City, or check us online at BayouOutdoor.com. We look forward to making you our newest member of the Bayou Outdoor family.